Hello, everyone. My name is Katie Sweeney. Today, I will be conducting a first family session with the Martin family. The first segment deals with beginning the meeting and developing trust with the family. Hello, Martin family. My name is Katie Sweeney. I look forward to this session today to get to know you all better. Mom, what's your name? Nice to meet you, Terry. Dad, what is your name? Nice to meet you, Carl. I see that you have two children. What are your names? It is very nice to meet you, Steve. It is also very nice to meet you, Stacy. Terry and Carl, I would like to hear from each of you as to what your age is and what you both do for a living. Let's start with you, Terry. Okay, so you're 43 and you work full time in the helping field? That's admirable of you. What about you, Carl? Thank you for sharing that information. Steve and Stacy, can you both please tell me your ages and what grade you're in at school? Let's begin with you, Steve. So I hear you saying that you're a junior in high school and you're 17 years old? Okay. Now let me hear from you, Stacy. That's exciting to be a freshman in high school. Do you enjoy school? You do, that's great. Terry, I spoke with you on the phone briefly about what brings you in today. I'd like to get a better idea by asking each of you why you think you are here today. We'll start with you, Mom. Okay, so you feel you're here today because of your daughter's well-being, and also that you think you have too much on your plate with working full time and having to take care of a house and children. Okay, Carl, why do you think you're here today? Okay, so you think she's trying to get you to change? Okay. Now, Steve, let's hear from you. All right. So you think you're here today to help your sister get through this difficult time? Thank you for sharing. Now, let's hear from you, Stacy. Right. So you believe you're here today because of what you did to yourself? I understand what you're saying, and I'm glad you're here today. Now, I will begin the second segment, which deals with the parents bickering over Stacy's drug use. I need to refocus them on the problem we were dealing with before the argument started. Okay, let me stop you two just for a second. Let's try to focus on the topic we were discussing, which was responsibilities in the home. Let's hear from you, Mom. What is your viewpoint? What I'm hearing you say is that you are struggling with all the responsibilities of taking care of a home, raising two teenagers, and working full time. Okay, now, Carl, what is your opinion on this issue? So I'm hearing you say that you are restricted from doing many activities because of your disability, and this applies to indoor and outdoor household chores. All right, what do you currently do around the house? Okay, so I hear you saying that you do clean up, but you could probably do more to help around the house. That's understandable. Thank you for your honesty. Now, I will move into the third segment, which deals with the ending and assigning each family member homework to complete before our next session. This is a good time to end the meeting. I would like to give you all some homework to do before our next session together. I'm sensing, Carl, I'm sensing that you feel there are other chores you could do around the house, plus food shopping, and you would be more flexible. Am I correct? Okay, great. So, in the next week, I would like you to help Terry food shop and help put away groceries. Also, I would like to see you help clean up after dinner about 3 times a week. Do you think this is possible, Carl? Okay, I'm glad to hear that. Now, Terry, before our next session, I would like you to try to engage in just one self-care activity for yourself, even if it's something like a 5-minute guided meditation video on YouTube. Do you think you would be willing to try this? Okay, I'm glad you're willing to give it a shot. Steve, I would like to see you help more around the house as well. Could you help with laundry, like helping mom fold clothes and take the trash out this week? Okay, awesome. Now, Stacy, can you, with the assistance of your mom, set up an appointment this week with a therapist for you individually? That would be great. As part of helping around the house, you didn't think I'd forget about you, did you? Could you help out by cleaning up your room and helping mom with your laundry? Okay, sounds good. I also would like each of you to watch a video on substance abuse. I could email the link to mom. Okay. Thank you all for coming in today, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Take care. Bye bye.